Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another sneaker unboxing for y'all today, man. But before we get into this unboxing, y'all already know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the content. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. I'm not finna talk our ears off. Let's get into this unboxing. I got my colorful ass, god damn, what the hell, SneakerCon t-shirt on, cause this is a colorful ass shoe. I ain't gonna lie, the shoe was fire to me when I seen it. So I bit the bullet, paid that early price for it. Nah, it wasn't like too crazy. Like the resale ain't crazy, so the early prices wouldn't gonna be crazy on this either. But I got this from Kick Square. They did like I think it was like $40 over or $20 over retail, whatever it was. But these are the Air Max 2 Light Quick Strike. Colorway on this is black, bright crimson, and that was it. Here, gonna look at that tag right here. Bow, came in it's a quick strike. I don't know why it didn't come in like a special box or something with all the Nike prints on there. That's what it should have looked like, but hey, I ain't make the shoe. Bling, blow, her, right here on the shoes, man. These joints is fire. These joints is, and they come with the, okay, so you already know we're gonna be doing the review on this shoe, but let me just show y'all this real quick. They got the, hold on, we gotta do it on both of these shoes, matter of fact. So, but here are the different laces right here. They got this bright Volt, and this like purple. Standard laces are orange, so you know I'm gonna have to swap one of these laces out, if not both of them. But yeah, man, we gotta do the review on both of these shoes, because as you can see, both of them are two different shoes. So let's get into this, man. I wish this was a patch, but it ain't. On the toe box, you have like a mesh toe box. You have the Nike Air right here printed in. On this one, you have a stitched in swoosh right here. Purple, orange swoosh. You have like this mint green. On the right shoe, you have the black. You have the Air upside down. On this one, you have the yellow with the purple swoosh, almost like that Laker colorway. On this, you have like this, like a dull pink and like a Volt green or something, like a almost like a lime green. You have the pink over here with the purple swoosh with the lime green outline. It's so much going on with this shoe, bro. I'm damn gonna pass out running out of breath talking about it. Like, I ain't gonna lie. You have the lace, like a little lace locks, but not lace locks, but like lace holders right here. It looked like it is 3M, like the lace, like the lace holders is 3M right there on both of them, which is real dope. You got Air Max 2 on these patches right here at the top of the tongue. You have a teal lace holder right here and a blue one over there. The tongue on this is blue and like, I don't know, look like peach. This one over here is like Volt yellow and purple. Man, it's so much going on with this shoe, it's crazy. Let me take these little shoe tree things out. God damn, bruh. Behind the tongue of this one, you got like a baby blue, like cotton feel right there behind it. Insole is the same on both. You have a black sock liner. Real, this, it ain't mesh, it's like cotton, it feel real soft. And on the back of the tongue of this one is like a darker, like bluish green. Same insole on that. Let me tuck these joints back in there. Okay. Let's see, I'm trying to do both of them at the same time, and it ain't working. Side panels of the shoe, as you can see, blow. They both different. Look at it. You feel me? On the back heel right here, you have the swoosh back here on this one. You have the swoosh on that one. Both the swoosh the same, but under the swoosh you have like a backward swoosh right here. On this one you got the Nike Air in like a mint green color. The middle panel, you got almost air going right here. And like this blue, you got the Nike Air right here, and like this salmon pink. This shoe is everywhere, bro. Like, it's no way. This shoe is literally everywhere, man. On the back, man, you have like real like durable plastic. You got Nike Air on the back tab, on the back heel right here. The air bubble unit, the bottom of the shoes, the outsole of the shoe is the same on both. I know they backwards right now. Outsole of the shoe is the same. You got Nike Air right there. You have the two swooshes. You have swooshes on the back. You have a blue, like this little air unit right here is blue. The side one is red. This shoe is literally everywhere. But I ain't gonna lie, this shoe definitely a summer shoe. It's gonna be fire for the summertime, man. Not gonna lie. That's exactly what I'm bringing mine out. And this swoosh it got the tumble look, but it ain't soft at all. So they went real cheap on this little strip of leather they put on there, but oh well, the shoe is like doing as much talking as you need. Like with this shoe, probably go all black and then just let the shoes do the rest of the talking. Please don't try to match up all these goddamn colors on one. I think this shirt actually doing a decent little job though, I ain't gonna lie. But still though, don't go crazy with these colors if you cop this shoe. Wear some real calm and just let the shoe do all the talking. But I ain't gonna lie, the shoe is crazy, bro. Like, you really have to get these shoe in hand. Like, to do a detailed review on this, the review is gonna be like 10 minutes by itself. So anyways, man, the shoe is real dope. I personally liked it. That's why I copped them. So comment down below, was these a cop, was these a drop, was these hot, was these shot? Let me know how y'all feel about these down in the comment section down below, man. And finna give y'all real quick on feet of these joints, and I'm gonna come back and wrap it up. Let's go.
This is harder than it seems. Baby, all I see is green. When they call, I gotta leave. Gotta come up with a scheme. Know my circle full of G. nothing. Hella clothes missing buttons. Niggas cross me out for nothing. Now they see a nigga stunting. Now they see I'm getting money. Now everybody loading nuts. Hands out.
Yo, man. So I really hope y'all enjoyed that on feet, man. And I went true to size personally, and I still got a little wiggle room. So, I mean, what fit me well might not fit you well. If you got a fat or a wide feet, go a half size up, unless you can go into a store and try these out, see what fits best for you. But like I said, I don't have a fat or wide feet. I got real narrow feet, so I went true to size, and I still got a little wiggle room. So these is real comfortable. Like, I don't know, like the insole of them is like super soft. Like this whole little fabric, like soft cotton tongue, go all the way down. This sock liner, like all this, like the insole of this shoe is real comfortable, like extremely comfortable. That's just my opinion. If y'all cop these, man, let me know how y'all feel about these down in the comment section, man. I really think they should have did different swooshes. Like, instead of just making this swoosh orange all the way around, they should have did like an orange, volt, purple, blue, or something. Like, they should have like did the swooshes a little bit better. Like, the material of them really don't matter, but they should have did some different swoosh colors on this joint. Just my opinion. Different sock liners. Like, they should have just went all out crazy for the shoe. They can keep the white midsole, or they should have made it all black. But that's just my opinion. Like I said, man, comment down below how you feel about these shoes. Y'all cop, drop, hot shot. Let me know how y'all like the on feet, man. And follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. And don't forget, hit that notification bell to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this gym.
The horse and the carriage, till death do us part, till I'm gone and I'm buried. For the green, put the mask on, I'm the new Jim Carrey. On the ground like a slow song, bitch call